How to add another device to your Coinbase account. Now in order to do that, you just have to open any of your browser into your computer. Like I'm opening the Brave browser, and after opening the browser, you just have to open the site for the Coinbase. Now you just simply have to click into sign in button. In order to log in your account into this device, after clicking into the sign in button, it will take a short amount of time to process. And this tab will be opened. Now you have to enter your email address here and click to continue. Type your password into box and again click on continue. Then it will ask to continue to open the Coinbase app into your other device. Now open the Coinbase application in your device and it will send a notification into your other device where you have already logged in your account of Coinbase. You just have to open that link and then this tab will be open. Now you have to click on yes and then your account will be successfully logged in into your new device. If you like the video, give me thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button.